Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's update is a big win for anyone living in United States and sending money abroad. Whether you are an NRI on a work visa, a student or supporting family back home, my friends. Yes. So until recently there were serious concerns about a high remittance tax being introduced in the United States as high as 3.5% and even 5% in the earlier drafts. But now, the latest version of the bill from the US Senate has proposed something much better, just a 1% tax with possible exemptions. Let's break down what changed, why it matters, and what you should do going forward. Let's rewind a bit. Earlier this year, a new bill was introduced in US Congress called the One Big Beautiful Bill. Look at the name. And tucked inside was a controversial proposal, a 5% excess tax on all international money transfer made by non-citizens. Non-citizens, again, even if you're a green card holder, it doesn't matter. Naturally, this sent shockwaves across immigrant communities, especially in countries like India, Mexico, and the Philippines, where billions of dollars are sent home every year. Later, the proposed tax was revised to 3.5%, but still, many felt it was unfair and would hurt families who rely on remittance. Of course, 3.5% already you paid the tax, and then 3.5% is more. Now, here is a big update. The US Senate, in its version of the same bill, has reduced the proposed remittance tax to just 1%. Yes, just 1% instead of 3.5 or 5%. And that's not all. The Senate version also proposes that if you are sending money using a US bank account, debit card or credit card, you may exempt from tax altogether. That's the important thing. That means the 1% tax would mostly apply to cash based transfers, such as money orders or non banking channels. What does it affect? This rule, if passed, will apply to non citizens in the United States. That include NRIs like H1B and L1 visa holders, international students, so many international students studying there in United States, and also green card applicants. So it's not all like a fairyland once you get the green card. So, and even undocumented immigrants, my friends. It's meant to increase tax compliance and discourage undocumented cash flows. But the original high rate would have punished everyone equally, even those who follow the law, right? This 1% version is a more balanced approach, and it seems designed to reduce impact on genuine legal remittance senders, which seems to be fair to me. And what you should do, that's the question. It is what been suggested. Use US bank transfers. They are traceable, secure, and may exempt from this tax if the Senate pass the bill. Avoid using cash or third party money orders, especially from shady or unlicensed outlets. Stay informed. This is still a proposal, not a finalized law, and it will go through voting and revision before it becomes official. So who knows, somebody might again just say, we are increasing it to 2%. If you are sending a regular remittance, especially to India, talk to your bank or financial advisor to prepare for any changes in 2026. When when the tax is expected to come into effect. So to recap, there was a fear of 5% or 3.5% remittance tax. Now the US Senate has brought it down to just 1%. And if you send money through proper banking channels, you might not have to pay anything at all. So, this is actually a huge relief for millions of people, especially NRIs and immigrant families. So, what do you think? Should there be any tax on remittance at all? Or should family support be completely tax free? So, drop your thoughts in the comments, my friends. Also, people might be just questioning about the Zoom transfers or Remitly transfers, other transfers. You have to remember one thing, those all are connected to the US bank accounts. So, they are legally traceable, and I am hoping that those transactions won't be impacted with this 1% tax rule or whatever the Senate bill passed and it is successful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my content, and if you do, hit the like button. Until next time, take care.